In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload and use custom fonts in your WordPress website for free. So if you've downloaded a font from Google Fonts or any other site and you're eager to add it to your WordPress setup, simply follow along with this step-by-step guide. To start, you'll need to install a couple of plugins. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look for the plugins section on the left side menu and hover over it. You'll see an option called Add New. Go ahead and click on that. Now, in the search bar at the top right corner, type Custom Fonts. Scroll through the results and find the plugin by Brainstorm Force. Once you spot it, click the Install button, and when it's finished installing, be sure to activate it. Next, we'll need another handy plugin called Elementor, which will help us apply our custom font effortlessly. Similarly, search for Elementor and install and activate it as well. With both of these plugins set up and ready, you're all set to begin uploading your custom font. Let's move on by preparing your font files. Head over to your file manager on your computer. If you've downloaded your custom font in a zip file, you'll need to extract it first. Be sure that your font is available in one of these formats: OTF, TTF, WOF, or WOF2. These formats are supported by WordPress, making the process smooth and trouble-free. Now it's time to upload your custom font to WordPress. Back in your WordPress dashboard, hover over the Appearance tab on the left sidebar. When the drop-down menu appears, click on Custom Fonts. Here you'll see an Add New button. Go ahead and click it. You'll now be prompted to enter a name for your font. This could be anything you like. For instance, let's say you name it Workday. Next, click the Choose File button and select your font file, ensuring it's one of the supported formats we discussed earlier. Once it's uploaded, select it and then click Use Font. Here you can also adjust some advanced settings like font style, whether you want it normal or italic, and font weight such as 300, 400, or 700 to suit your design preferences. Once you've tweaked the settings to your liking, click Save Font. Finally, it's time to apply your new custom font using Elementor. Look for the Elementor option in your dashboard, hover over it, and select Getting Started. You can create a new page or open an existing one. Click on any text element you want to change. In the editor, open the Style tab, then go to Typography. Under Family, search for the custom font you just uploaded, select it, and voila! Your website now sports your unique typeface, and there you have it. You've successfully added and used a custom font on your WordPress website at no cost. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials on WordPress.